Want to start a career in pharmacy but confused between D-Pharm, B-Pharm and PharmD? Then this video is just for you. Let's clear the confusion and choose the right path together. Let's get started. First we will start from the basic course D-Pharm, Diploma in Pharmacy. The course type is Diploma. The eligibility for this course is 10 plus 2 with the PCB or PCM group. The course duration is 2 years plus 3 months of practical training in pharmacy store or hospital pharmacy. The focus of this course is mainly basics of pharmacy, dispensing and drugstore management. Subjects you will learn in this course are pharmaceutics, pharmacology, biochemistry and clinical pharmacy. The career options for this course is as a medical representative. You can do B-Pharm also. You will get admission in second year B-Pharm. You can do medical coding also. This is based for the students who want a quick earning, who want their own business. You can start pharmacy store, own retail store. Next course is B-Pharm. It is a degree course. It is an undergraduate degree course. The eligibility for this course is same as a D-Pharm, that is 10 plus 2 with the PCB and PCM. The course duration is 4 years. It is divided into the 8 semesters. The focus of this course is a research, pharmaceutical sciences, drug formulation and industrial pharmacy. The subjects you will learn in this course are pharmaceutics, pharmacology, human anatomy and physiology, industrial pharmacy. The various subjects you will learn in the 8 semesters of this B-Pharm course. The career options, there are very career options in a B-Pharm course, like you will do work in a quality control, quality assurance department. You can also work with the research department. You can also do research. And the third thing you can do is get admission into the M-Pharm. M-Pharm is a course that is a master in pharmacy. It is a specialized course, have the different branches like M-Pharm in pharmaceutics, M-Pharm in pharmaceutical quality assurance, M-Pharm in pharmacology, pharmacognosy. This is best option for the students who wants the research. The next course is PharmD, Doctor of Pharmacy course. The course type is Professional Doctorate course. The eligibility for this course is 10 plus 2, PCM or PCB. Students also can get admission after the completion of B-Pharm course. The course duration is 6 years of course, 5 years study and 1 year of internship in a hospital. The focus of this course is a clinical pharmacy, patient care, hospital pharmacy practice. The subject you are going to learn in this course are clinical pharmacy, pharmacotherapeutics, hospital pharmacy, biostatistics. Career options in this are clinical pharmacy, hospital pharmacist, patient care specialist and professor as like me. The best for the students who want their career in a clinical practice, patient care and career opportunities in foreign countries like US, Canada, etc. Students, if you want to start working early, go for D-Pharm. If you are interested in research or pharma industry, B-Pharm is ideal for you. If you dream of working in hospital or abroad as a clinical expert, PharmD is your best bet. So students, I hope the video helped you to understand difference between B-Pharm, D-Pharm and PharmD. If you still have any questions or want me to cover a specific topic related to the pharmacy, just drop a comment below. I read every comment. Also, tell me in which language you would prefer to watch my video. Hindi, Marathi, English or mix. Your opinion really matters to me. So don't forget to let me know. If you found this video helpful, give it a like button, share it with your friends and subscribe to the channel @SaidBySaili. I'll help you to build your career in pharmacy. Thanks for watching. This is Saili Jadhav supporting you on your way to a successful pharmacy career.